Hi friends, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing good. I'm doing good as well. So today I have come up with a topic named Learn Kannada through English. Okay, so let's start off. Make sure you spell along with me or do repeat it. I hope this helps you to pronounce and speak Kannada very well. So let's start off from here. Hi, hello. You pronounce it as Namaskara or Namaste. I, Nanu. You, Neenu, or with respect, you can call them as Neevu. My, you pronounce it as Nanna. Mine, Nandu or Nannadu. Name, Hesaru. You call it as Hesaru. Who, Yaru. Just in case if you're calling, who's that? Yaradu, Yaru. Good morning, Shubhodaya. You call it as Shubhodaya. Good afternoon, Shubha Madhyana. I repeat, Shubha Madhyana. Good evening, Shubha Sanje. Shubha Sanje. Good night, Shubha Ratri. Shubha Ratri. Take care, Kalaji Vahisi. Kalaji Vahisi. Ar, Namma. Namma or ours, Nammadu. Nammadu. Your, Ninna or with respect, Nimma. Or yours with respect, Nimdu or Nimmadu. Nimdu or Nimmadu. This, Idu. This, Idu. That, Adu. That, Adu. How much? Eshtu. How much? Eshtu. House or home, you call it as Mane. Mane. He, Ivanu, or if he is far away from you, you call it as Avanu. Ivanu or Avanu. She, if she is closer to you, you call her as Ivalu, or far away from you, Avalu. Ivalu or Avalu. Yes, Haudu. Haudu. No, Allah or Illa. Either you call it as Allah or Illa. Small, Chikkadu. Chikkadu. Big, Doddadu. Big, Doddadu. Read, ಓದು ಓದು. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ. ಚೇರ್ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಕುರ್ಚಿ. ವಾಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಬೇಕು. ಟಾಲ್ ಎತ್ತರ ಎತ್ತರ. Hope you are understanding. Do repeat along with me for a better pronunciation. Okay? Little swalpa swalpa. Difficult kashta kashta. Easy ಸುಲಭ ಸುಲಭ. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೋ ತೆಗೆದುಕೋ. ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ತೆಗೆದುಕೋ. ಹೂಸ್ ಯಾರ ಯಾರ. ಪಾತ್ ಆರ್ ವೇ ದಾರಿ ದಾರಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ. ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಕುಡಿ. So if you are offering, please do drink. You need to pronounce it as kudi. Fruit ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಣ್ಣು. If you are asking which one, then ಯಾವ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಯಾವ್ದು. ಟುಡೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ನಾಳೆ. You need to pronounce it as ನಾಳೆ ನಾಳೆ. Day after tomorrow ನಾಳಿದ್ದು ನಾಳಿದ್ದು. Hope you can pronounce it better. It's ನಾಳಿದ್ದು. Yesterday ನೆನ್ನೆ yesterday ನೆನ್ನೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಶುದ್ಧ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಶುದ್ಧ ನೀರು. For water you can call it as ನೀರು. Next ಸಿ ನೋಡು ಸಿ ನೋಡು ನೋಡು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು. ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವು ಏನು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಆರ್ ಅವು ಏನು. ಗಳು. So this is used as a plural form of objects or non-humans. For example, ಹೂಗಳು, ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು. Book, ಪುಸ್ತಕ. And for books, you call it as ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು. ಪುಸ್ತಕ or ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು. Bird, ಪಕ್ಷಿ. And for birds, ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು. ಪಕ್ಷಿ or ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು. ಶರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಗಿ And for shirts, you call it as angigalu. Angigalu. Angi or angigalu. Fruit, hannu. And for fruits, you call them as hannugalu. Hannu or hannugalu. Animal, prani. And for animals, pranigalu. Prani or pranigalu. Money, duddu. Money, duddu. Duddu. Cost, bele. If you're asking what is the cost of this, bele yenu. Bele yenu. Cost is bele. Lakh, laksha. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 laksha, 2 laksha. So for lakh, you call it as laksha. Do watch this video often to pronounce it properly. So these are the few basic words that you need to know if you are planning to learn Kannada. So I would be coming up with more videos which would definitely help you to learn Kannada well and pronounce the words clearly. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.